Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share delicious nutrient chutney for idli, dosa, etc. with peanuts and my secret ingredient. It's really amazing as it looks and tastes same like peanut chutney. Why it's special is you can have this chutney with cold and cough, especially awesome choice for picky eaters. So instead of adding 1 cup peanuts, I'm going to replace half cup peanuts with almonds. Let's talk about why it's super healthy. It's protein rich due to peanuts and almonds. Nutrient rich due to added almonds. As almonds have reduced saturated fat, more vitamin E, iron, and unsaturated fats. Here is my tip to keep chutney fresh for a week. I usually partition chutneys into 2 parts. Keep one box for use in fridge. You can either freeze or refrigerate another box untouched for 3 to 4 days. If you are freezing, thaw the frozen chutney box a night before outside and then move into the fridge. As only one box is used at a time until finished, chutney stays fresh for 5 to 7 days easily. Let's get started. This is the way I limit oil to 1 teaspoon by dry roasting nuts. You can either air fry or pan fry without oil. Let's see air frying. In the air fryer tray, add half a cup peanuts and half a cup almonds. Spread evenly. Place nuts in the middle rack of the air fryer. Air fry at 360 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. My air fryer model Instant Vertex Plus preheats for 4 minutes first. Thus it runs for a total of 6 minutes. Toss halfway. As you see, nuts got roasted perfect. Peel is also nutritious. There's no need to take off the skin. Let's see pan frying. Heat the pan. Dry roast nuts separately until roasted well. Keep mixing in the middle. Comparatively, air frying takes less time and nuts will be roasted evenly. Meanwhile, wash and soak little tamarind. Heat the pan and add 1 teaspoon oil. Add half a teaspoon cumin seeds. 3 garlic cloves. 5 green chilies. 1 tablespoon chana dal. 1 teaspoon urad dal. Quarter cup chopped onion. 1 teaspoon salt. Fry for few minutes. This step is optional. You can add air fried or pan fried roasted nuts to the mix. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it cool down. Add entire roasted mix in a grinder jar. Add tamarind along with the water. Grind until smooth. You can add water as needed. It needs more water than peanut chutney due to almonds. Dilute with water as per your desired consistency. After tasting, add more salt and chilies as per your taste and grind. Peanut chutney with almonds is ready. It's hard to know it has almonds too. If you want, you can tamper. Hope you like my idea. See you again with many more healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.